Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Adobe Pro to sign documents. So first things first, we're going to invite someone to sign into our document. Just enter the email right here and then the name. You can find this one to e-sign tab. And this you can also edit your document. We have e-signature and then a lot of things at the left tab. And then if you're done, just press this button right here. And now you can put some message if you want. But if you're done, you simply just click the send button and wait for that to load. Now, this is how it looks like. This is what they will be able to see once they receive the paper that you sent. Here they can fill out the information, and here is the sign. They can just simply put or type their name, or they can draw their signature if they want. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.